Hey everybody, I am calling this gopher the new gopher, even though he could easily be one of our resident gophers who just abandoned a burrow somewhere and moved and produced a new one. This burrow has been there for about a year, and up until this week, I never caught this guy out of his burrow. I never had been able to see him grazing or basking, but that changed this week. So full disclosure, this is not an action-packed video. To finally get a look at this gopher, I set my GoPro Hero 9 up on a tripod directly in front of the burrow and set it on time-lapse and just left it. So this gopher, the new gopher, is just basking. This is what they do this time of year. It's cold. Even here in North Florida, it gets cold. We had 38 degrees the other day. And so this gopher tortoise is just basking in the sun right at the mouth of its burrow. So if it needs to, it can duck back in there very quickly. Hold on, he's about to scoot. He's mostly basking in the sun in this clip, but at some point he gets hungry and does a little snacking. Gophers need sunshine, not just for basking and vitamin D production, but also for the plants that they feed on. Most of the plants they feed on are plants that grow in sunny, open areas. So we do some limb trimming and managing of our forest to make sure that we have these open areas that support the plants that support the gophers. We have about 10 burrows active on the property right now. Every gopher tortoise burrow supports much more than just the gopher tortoise. From common species to threatened and even endangered species, the burrow offers a home for up to 300 species according to National Geographic. Here at Pure Florida, we've got the indigo snake and the gopher frog that we've spotted around the property, and they're here because the gophers are here. So now that the mystery gopher has been spotted, we need a name for this guy. It is a male, I believe, so feel free to add your ideas to a possible name for this gopher. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time.